Reagan is helping.
You're helping too.
Mm-hmm.
Really so hard so I can get this.
Good job. My raspberry bush is finally producing.
It spilled a little bit.
Yay!
Put the cap on it.
Look at these. That one's not ready yet.
Oh, it's a bug that went right next to me.
I like tissue.
Don't go near each other.
There was a time when I was lonely. I was trying hard to get by, taking day by day. But baby, then you came along. I know I never felt that strong. Nothing's gonna hold us down. Yeah, we are taking off the ground now. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. My soul wanted healing, consolation. You and me were in the moment we've been waiting for.
Hi guys. So our friend let us come to her house to go swimming today. So I'm gonna show you a little clip of the kids playing in the pool. Get your sunscreen on it.
One more time. Whoa! Can I try that? I'll come right back.
Girl,
She's a little fishy, like a mermaid.
I see you.
Let's go. Kick, 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 kick. There you go.
Good job.
Come on, you're almost there. Come on, you got it. You got it. You got it.
Woohoo! Yay!
You be swimming like a big girl.
Come summer, winter, fall, or spring.
See yours.
No matter what the future brings,
Goodness, what'd you get?
nothing's gonna hold us down.
What Belly get?
'Cause we are taking off the ground now. Stay with me. We're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. Stay with me. We're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by.
Wow, you got a bubble gun? That's so cool. Oh my goodness, are you shooting bubbles everywhere?
Nothing's gonna hold us down. Yeah, nothing's gonna hold us down. 'Cause we are taking off the ground now. Stay with me. We're aiming for
You like
the
that
sky.
prize? Is that a good prize?
Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. Stay with me.
Wow,
We're
so cool.
aiming for the sky. We're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and
Got bubbles
by.
all over me. Welcome to Pineapple Cat House that we got for the kitten that we rescued. So cute. Excuse me, can I see him on the camera? Cutie pie. Easy. Leave him alone. Leave him in there. So we found this kitten at the daycare and we brought him home. The mother took all the other kittens and left this one. So we took him home with us. We took him to the vet. He's too young to get shots, so he can get shots in about a week. We've had him for about 2 weeks.
Good kitty.
Reagan's in love. Love that kitty. Easy. Be very gentle with him. He's not aggressive at all. He doesn't try to scratch her or anything, even though she's rough with him. Hey, quit doing that. You're going to hurt him. Put him down. Hold him in your lap. Don't hold him over your shoulder. This sweet kitty. What's his name?
His name is Whiskers.
His name is Mittens.
His name is Tigger.
Tigger?
Yeah. His name is
Reagan says Tigger. Bradley says Mittens. We're not sure what we're going to stick with just yet. I got this little house at Marshall's for $20. It's really soft. It's got like a cushion inside. She tortures him, bless his heart. He's a good kitty.
There you go.
Hey, it's raining.
No.
It is. It was just sunshine and now look, it's raining. This is the food we got for him. I don't know if this is the best kind. Comment below with your favorite food for kittens below.